Now, as you can see here, we render our box, but those are dummy data box. We need to import or to fetch this API that we've created. We need to fetch it and render the box in this flat list. So let's create our get request function. Const get list of box equals to async. You remember, right? Async and const response equals to await. Let's use this API Axios dot get our API, okay, and let's log the response dot data, and let's call this function inside use effect. Let's copy this and put it here and add a second parameter empty array to make it implement one time. Now we've got our list of book, but we need to add those list of book, this response.data inside here instead of temp data. How to do this? To do this, we're gonna use our state hook, use state. So let's call const data and set data equals to use state. If you are not familiar with use state hook, don't worry, we've described those hooks, use state and use effect, in this channel. Just check the playlist and learn them. So now we've just want to set this data, this response to data. So let's set data on response.data. Now when we call this function get list of book, the response.data we've got from this endpoint, I mean the box, will be stored in this set data, in this variable. So in use state, this constant is the data, and this function is the way to set the data. Now we've set the data, so let's use this instead of temp data and press save. Look, now we've got the box, but it needs some like properties changes. For example, let's see, author equals to item dot, let's see here, dot author, item dot author, Wilson and John. Okay, let's see another property. For example, name of the book equals to item dot, let's see here, author created ad, name of book. Look, easy, isn't it? We need to render also category color, cover URL, price equals to item dot price. Or what is the key here? Oh, there is no price right now. We need to change this API. We need to change it to add a price and some other changes. Okay, now we face a small problem. We need some data from this endpoint, like the price. If we look here, our API doesn't provide the price. He provides just the author, the cover, the name of book. Let's render the cover. Let's render the cover image URL. We have a key called cover URL would be equal to item.cover. Okay, but now we need some more data like the price. So we need to change our API using our mock API. So let's open mock API and create edit. Let's add a field to the price. It will be number. And let's add another field for email of user or email of seller, and it would be string, and let's update it. What if we add or generate a new POC? Let's see. Look, now we have here our data is updated using mock API. A new images has been added and prices and email of seller, but email of seller we don't need, we want to make it email. I don't know if it's supported or not. I think it's not supported, so we have to do it manually. I want to mention something. Mock API provide us a data that we can create if we change this. If we put here 16, we have here 16 POC with a different data. If we put here 4, now we have here 4 POCs with different data. Now I have added 4 POCs using my mock API. I don't know what is this, why mock API love cats, I don't know, but it doesn't matter. I will update all of those POCs because we're gonna learn the put request. The put request is responsible for updating the POCs, so don't worry about it.